Hello guys, today I will teach how to make another Chinese dish called cucumber with egg. First we need to put 2 or 3 eggs, and then we need to mix them together. Okay, we mix the eggs together. Then we heat the pot, put some oil. You could put vegetable oil or some yellow bean oil or any kind of olive oil, something like that. Then we need to pour these eggs to the pot. Let me have a look. To wait for the oil to be heated. Yes, I put this vegetable oil in the pot to heat it. Then we pour the egg. To let the egg cook a little well. And at the same time I cut the garlic. The garlic I could cut it for preparation for the cucumbers. I also cut the cucumber in different pieces, such like that. It will be easy to eat. Okay, let me see if the egg is okay. You see that? Okay, egg is good now. We pour the egg in the pot, in the bowl. Then we add some oil.
You
A
don't need
little
oil.
bit will be okay.
You don't need oil. Who are you talking to?
Then we need to add some garlic.
Oh, you took this stuff?
Add some garlic inside. Okay, we pour the cucumber. Until the cucumber is a little well done, we could put the eggs to mix them together. Then we need to add some salt. Little bit of salt will be okay if you don't want it too salty. Yeah, the cucumber with eggs is good now. We could put it in a plate and to enjoy it. Hope you knew how to cook this Chinese dish, and hope you could like subscribe to the channel and for my update next Chinese video. Thank you.